Adding a customer in Teamwork Desk is a really simple process. All we need to do is go up here to the Customers tab, and then over on the right hand side, just select Add Customer here. So in the pop-up window here, we need to give our customer a first name and a last name, and of course we need to add the customer's email address. And once we've done this, we just click Save, and now we're able to edit the customer's profile. So you can see here, as well as our first name, last name, and email address, we can also add the customer's company, we can add their job title, their phone number, their mobile number, we can get their Twitter, Facebook, and Google Plus links, we can also add their LinkedIn account, we can put in their address if we want to, and we can add any additional notes. And you'll see here that we also have the option to add a profile photo for that customer. And if we've made any changes here, we need to make sure that we save them. And if we scroll down, you can see that we also have the option to delete this customer if we want to. So I'll just save these changes here, and you can see that the save was successful. Once our customer has started creating some tickets, we can view all of their ticket history here in this tab. So let's just have a quick look at the history for an existing customer. So I'll just select back here. So let's just select Adrian here and go to his history, and there we can see all of this customer's ticket history. And that's it. That's all you need to know to be able to add customers in Teamwork Desk.